Hi, welcome to part 6, and today we're going to learn the letters K, L and M. But first, let's recap on what we learnt in part 5. Now we learnt a new sign called the number indicator, and to write this we use dot 3 on the left and 4, 5 and 6 on the right side. Now you would place this in front of any letter from A to J, which would turn the letter into a number. So if we had the letter A and we placed it behind the number indicator, it would become a number 1. And if we had the B, it would become number 2. If we place the letter C behind the indicator, it would become number 3. If we place the D behind the indicator, it would become number 4. If we did it with the E, it becomes 5. If we do it with the F, it becomes 6. If we do it with the G, it becomes 7. If we do it with the H, it becomes 8. If we do it with the I, it becomes number 9. And if we do it with the letter J, it becomes a 0. So that's how we learnt our numbers. Now today we're going to learn the letters K, L and M. Now you're already on your way to learning K, L and M because you've already learnt A, B and C. So if we place a dot in number 1, which is an A, and then we place another dot in number 3, we get the letter K. And if we place a dot in number 1 and number 2, we will get the letter B. But then if we put a dot in number 3, that will give us the letter L. And then if we put a dot in number 1 and a dot in number 4, that's our letter C. And if we use the dot 3 on the left, that will give us the letter M. Now to write those on the Braille frame, start on the right side and we put the letter A, which is dot 1, then we add the extra dot, which was number 3, that will give us the letter K. For the letter L, we write B, 1 and 2, the extra dot, which was 3, that's our L, and then for the M, we write the letter C, 1 and 4, and then the extra dot, which is 3, is the letter M. Take the paper out, turn it around, and on the left you will see K, L and M. To write that on the Perkins, we've got the space bar in the centre shaped like the inverted T, 1, 2, 3 on the left, 4, 5 and 6 on the right side. So for the letter K, we need the letter A, which is the 1, and the added dot, which is number 3. So 1 and 3 together. Okay. For the letter L, we need the B, 1 and 2, with the extra dot 3, 1, 2 and 3 together. That's an L. For an M, we need number 1 and number 4 on the right side, which is the letter C with the extra dot 3. Press them all together and we've got the letter M. Now, thank you for watching and look out for part 7 when we will learn N, O and P.